Well, as the SVP of digital and the way that people are changing the way that they consume media, I think it's really important for anyone who's focused in digital to understand that transition, and especially as the way it's content that is bringing them together. So that's why, you know, this and the upfronts are really coming, they're merging essentially. And so it's important to understand what's out there. Well, it really comes down to what you're trying to do. I mean, the way that I look at it is trying to create a media ecosystem that's relevant for the end user that we're trying to talk to. At the end of the day, we're trying to convince them of why the brands that we work for are relevant to them. And so finding the right pockets and the right mechanisms to deliver that message becomes super important, right? And whether that's from a branding message all the way down to a direct sales message, there's different ways to bring people around the journey, and that's why it's important to understand those different inflection points. Here this week, it's mainly to do with those kind of audio-visual technologies, right? That's what everyone's here talking about. They're talking about storytelling, they're talking about where consumers are spending their time. And so that's what I'm focusing on this week, right? But that's not just to talk about the online content. I mean, it's all the OTT content. And that doesn't matter where people are consuming it, whether it's on their phone, whether it's on their desktop, whether it's on that big screen in their living room. I mean, they're all connected and people are getting information from all those sources. So it's important to understand the relationship to all of those to advertise and message effectively.